Hello everybody, and welcome to everyone who is new and is joining the fun. To those returning, welcome back. In today's video, I of course will be sharing with you all the key daily healthy habits to become a better you. Because why would you not want to become better? The action we take every day determines the person we become. So if you want to become better and feel better, you have to replace bad habits with good ones. Our body is made up of 60% water, so it only makes sense that our body will require for us to drink a lot of water. This is your first habit. Increase your water intake. We all know how important it is to drink water, but do we truly know how important it really is? Doctors say that we require to drink 7 to 8 glasses of water daily. That if we do not hydrate ourselves, we will lose concentration and energy for the rest of the day. This has to be your first priority. When we sleep, we are not drinking water, so when we wake up, we are dehydrated, which can cause fatigue. So this is why as soon as I wake up, I go straight to my kitchen and pour myself a cup of water. I like to mix mine with half a lemon and my greens powder. It gives me a boost of energy to become alert and ready for the tasks that I need to get done for the remainder of the day. It's also important to add benefits to your water to make sure that you're enjoying it and drinking it frequently. Habit number 2 is to move your body. And this doesn't have to be draining. You can exercise in a way that is fun to you, something where you actually will show up every single day. If you're not a fan of lifting weights and you like to dance, you can try at-home Zumba, yoga, or even bicycle riding. Although I do recommend to incorporate at least 2 days a week of weights or resistance training, since research has shown that by doing this, it slows down the rate of bone and muscle loss we experience as we get older. There are days that I put on a 15 to 20 minute Zumba class and I follow along in my living room. This gets my heart pumping and I enjoy dancing, so it's something that I look forward to doing. Exercising is not just good for your physical health, but it's also good for your mental. Exercise keeps the heart healthy and strengthens muscles, but it also releases happy chemicals, such as endorphins, which boost your mood and your energy levels. A pro tip is to leave your exercise fit ready the night before to reduce you bailing the next day. Another habit is to eat a balanced meal daily. What we feed our body and our mind plays a huge role in how we feel throughout the day and the decisions that we make. If we eat high processed foods and sweets such as McDonald's, chips, gummy bears, chocolate bars, and all that yummy stuff, it will put you at a higher risk of diseases down the line such as diabetes and heart issues. It will also decrease your energy, leading to unproductivity in the day, and may lead to the common food coma. Our daily meal should include a balance such as the healthy eating plate, which is divided into vegetables, healthy proteins, whole grains, and fruits. As the saying goes, the more colors that you have on your plate, the better. I enjoy making my smoothies in the morning filled with protein and fruits, and for dinner we'll usually make myself a bowl either with salmon or chicken. A pro tip here is to meal prep for the week to avoid you wanting to spend money on takeout or to snack on unhealthy foods. Habit number 4 is to strive for progress and not perfection. Habits take time to form and it will not happen overnight. You will have days that you find yourself too busy with what's going on around you to complete these habits. Don't add pressure to yourself or get stressed. We are not perfect. Take the days as they come. If you are too busy one day, then show up the next day. At least drinking 3 cups of water or doing 5 minutes of exercising is progress. The consistency of you showing up and not giving up is what matters. Remember that it's better to do something than to do nothing at all. The 5th habit is to set intentions. On the road to a better you, you need to stay on track and stay focused. Your intention for your day is your compass. This can include goal setting and to-do lists. When we give ourselves the structure and the focus of the day, we allow for our brain to put all its attention on these individual tasks, instead of becoming overwhelmed with everything that you have to get done. We are instead being proactive in our life by being purposeful. This can range from wanting to read, completing an online course, meditating, starting your side hustle, etc. I tend to set both a weekly schedule to time block for certain tasks, and I also set my top 3 in the start of my day. And I promise you will see how much more you achieve when you actually schedule and stay focused on what's important in that moment. The next daily healthy habit is self-reflection. It is crucial to understand your thoughts in order to understand your behaviors. It's about reflecting on our mistakes and what we learn from them and how we can do things better. We are all human, and research shows that on a daily basis, we have more than 6,000 thoughts. You need to show up as your best self to make the right decisions that align with your goal and your future self. I practice journaling and meditation every morning, which truly helps me to gain clarity, do my affirmations, and feel inner peace. Last daily healthy habit is to get quality sleep. A life-changing habit you want to start doing, if not already, is to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every single night. Sleep provides the foundation for all our daily habits and decisions. A lack of sleep negatively impacts your mood and how alert you'll be throughout the day. This is crucial both for your mental and your physical body to recover and reset. I personally try to fall asleep before midnight, which research shows is when our growth hormone is most present, which helps us to live a long life and increases our performance. I'm a night owl, so it is challenging to sleep early, but I have noticed that by reading 20 minutes before gets me sleepy and ready for bed. I really hope this video helped you to get one step closer to becoming the best version of yourself. I want to leave you with this quote by Tony Robbins, where he says, "Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live in." Please like and subscribe to continue on our journey of self-development. Thank you for watching and stay blessed.
Oh my, what a wonderful time.